So, if you've been following me for a while, every now and then I'll post like some anime style pictures. And today I wanted to give you basically some tips on how to achieve that effect and show you how I do it. Now, when it comes to editing, I already have some tutorials uploaded, so you can find them. I'll put the link down below. But a lot of people forget that it's not just the editing. Like, when you take this style of picture, the picture itself needs to look like something out of an anime, you know? Like, and that's not something that editing can achieve by itself. So basically, what you shoot is much more important. So today we're gonna walk around my neighborhood. I'm gonna look for some scenes that look like something that could be in an anime. And if you want a tutorial, I'll put a link down below because I already have a few. But yeah, let's get to it. Some of you have been following me for a while, and every now and then I'll post like some anime style photos, and I always get asked how I do it. Is there some kind of preset or filter? And I edit my pictures in Lightroom. I have tutorials already, but the point I want to get to is that it's not always about the edit. Like, if you want to take an anime style picture, you have to take a picture of something that looks like it was shot in an anime, you know? So some of you, that's kind of hard. It's not easy to explain. You just have to watch a lot of animes so you kind of get the mood and the feeling that comes out in these animations. I love exploring these small little alleys. You just kind of curve around all over the place. You really never know what you're gonna find. So first of all, I want to give you some tips for shooting this style of picture. It's really hard to explain what the anime look is because you have to look at a lot of anime like I do and then get some idea of what kind of thing would come out in an anime. So I can't really explain that to you. This is more for something for the fans, but anyways, you can't just take a picture of anything and then try to make it look like an anime. Like sometimes I get people who are like, can you please make this look like an anime for me? And I say, alright, sure. And they'll send me pictures of their face or of their dog. And a lot of guys seem to send me pictures of themselves shirtless. I don't know why. I hope I don't give off that kind of vibe. But anyways, you have to be familiar with anime to get this effect. You can't just take a picture of anything. And for me, I like to have a lot of wires and a lot of sky. And for that to work out, you have to shoot not in the middle of the day, because if you shoot in the middle of the day, the sky is going to be really blown out. It's just going to look like a sea of white. So what you want to do is you want to shoot somewhere around sunrise or sunset, like around that time, you know. And what's going to happen is you're going to point the camera away from the sun. That way you can get like a really nice blue sky. Besides that, if you're looking for tutorials, I have some tutorials already. I'll put them on the link down below so you guys can check them out. Be sure to leave a like or comment because that helps my channel out a lot. And yeah, let's get to exploring my hood.